chapter name is Antibiotic Emergency and the Medical Medicine and Anti-Inflammatory Drug. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are also called as antibacterial, are a type of antimicrobial drug used for the treatment and prevention of the bacterial infection. They may either kill or inhibit the growth of the bacteria. A limited number of antibiotics also possesses the usual activity. Antibiotic revolution medicine in the 20th century and have together with the vaccination lead to the near eradication of the disease such as tuberculosis in the development world. However, their effectiveness and easy access causes the overuse and sometimes bacterial resistance. History of the antibiotics. Physician Sir William Robert noted that the culture of the mold penicillin globium that is used in the making of some type of blue cheese did not display bacterial contamination. In 1876, physicist John Tylon also contributed to this field. Louis Pasteur conducted research showing the Bacillus anthracis would not grow in the presence of related mold Penicillium nonatum. In 1928, Sir Alexander Fleming identified the penicillium, a molecule produced by certain molds that kills or stops the growth of the certain kinds of bacteria. Fleming was working on a culture of the disease. That time he noticed the spores of a green mold penicillin chrysogenium is one of his culture plate. He observed that the presence of mold killed or prevented the growth of the bacteria. Fleming postulated by the model much secrete an antibacterial substance which was named by penicillin in 1928. Alexander Fleming has awarded by the Nobel Prize for his role in the discovery of penicillin, the first sulfonamide and the first asymmetrical activity antimicrobial drug. Prostolons was developed by a research team led by the Gerhard Domek in 1932 and 1933 at the Bayer Laboratories in Germany, for which the Domek received the 1939 Nobel Prize for the administration. Medicine administration. There are different routes of administration of antibiotic treatment. Antibiotic treatment are given by mouth in more severe, particularly deep-seated systematic infection. Antibiotic can be given IV or by the infection where the site of infection is easily assessed. Antibiotic may be given topically in the form of eye drops onto the conjunctiva for conjunctivitis or the ear drop for the ear infection. In acute cases of the swimmer ears, topically use is also one of the treatment option for some skin condition including acne and cellulite. The classifications of the antibiotics. Antibiotics are designed to slow the growth of the kill bacteria. These are the drugs that are derived from one ne- from form or chemically produced by microorganisms like bugs, fungi, or bacteria. This is a broad range of antibiotic which with the different usage and the ancient metabolism. The most effective classification is one derived from the chemical composition. Antibiotic with the similar structural classes typically have the comparatively pattern to the toxicity, effectiveness, and allergic potential. Main classification are beta-lactamase, fluoroquinosole, tetracycline, macrolide, and aminoglyceride. Beta-lactase antibiotic. The eldest penicillin. The eldest type of antibiotic is penicillin, which shares a common chemical composition as cephalosporin. Generally, bactericidal penicillin hinders the ability of the bacteria to form their cell wall. This antibiotic is often used in the case of the dental, skin, respiratory tract, ear, and the urinary tract, as well as gonorrhea. The different type of penicillin are natural penicillase resistant penicillin and aminopenicillin. What is natural? Founded on the unique penicillin gene structure, this type of antibiotic is used to fight the streptococci and the streptococcus gram-positive strain as well as gram-negative strain like the meningococcus. The penicillin is notably oxycycline than the methicillin. This type of penicillin work even when exposed to the bacterial molecule. The type deactivate the natural penicillin. Aminopenicillin broad spectrum antibiotic like the amoxicillin and ampicillin are used to fight a wider range of bacterial infection. The cephalosporin. Cephalosporin is in the same classification of the antibiotic as penicillin, even though its chemical structure differ in the several respects. They both have a structure that hinder the growth of the bacterial cell wall. The main difference is that cephalosporin is a cephalosporium acremonium based. Cephalosporin has a broad range of They both have a structure that hinders the growth of the bacterial wall. The main difference of the cephalosporin and the cephalosporin microrganium. The cephalosporin has a broadest range of the usage, including the treatment of the streptococcal throat infection, pneumonia, tonsillitis, streptococcus infection, skin infection, the otitis media, kidney and the bladder infection, bone infection, and gonorrhea. Every time a new generation of cephalosporin emerges, it carries a broader spectrum of the activity. What is fluoroquinolone? The newest classification of the antibiotic is fluoroquinolone. Synthesis antibiotic fluoroquinolone belong to the family of the quinazole and are derived from bacteria. Older form of quinazole are mostly used to treat the urinary tract infection, as they were not allowed into the body system. The newer versions of the are broad spectrum bactericidal antibiotic that are easily absorbed into the body. Because of this, fluoroquinolone can be administered in both the pills form and the IV. The work by inhibiting the bacterial ability to produce the DNA, making it difficult to reproduce. The antibiotic is mostly used to treat the skin infection, urinary tract infection, and respiratory infection like bronchitis and the sinusitis. The tetracycline, having a chemical structure with 4 rings, tetracycline are derived from a type of Streptomyces bacteria. They are broad spectrum bacteriostatic bacteria, antibiotic effective against a multitude of the microorganisms. The most common used today for the tetracycline is the treatment of the moderately severe rosacea and the acne. They can also treat the respiratory tract infection, sinus infection, intestinal infection, ear infection, and the urinary tract infection, as well as Lyme disease, gonorrhea, etc. What is macrolides? Obtained from the Streptococcus bacteria, macrolides are the type of antibiotic that are bacteriostatic, thus inhibiting the protein synthesis. The prototype of this class is erythromycin and used similarly in the penicillin. Newer version like the clarithromycin and azithromycin are used to treat the respiratory tract infection because of the substantial ability to permeate the lung region. They are also used to treat the GIT infection, genital infection, and the bacterial infection of the skin. What is aminoglycosides? Are made for the different streptomyces species which are derived from the fungus called the Streptomyces gracious. They are the bactericidal and the stop bacteria for producing the protein. This classification of the antibiotic is used to fight the gram-negative bacteria and can be used in the combination with the cephalosporin or the penicillin. While they work well, bacteria can easily become resistant to the aminoglyceride. They are given IV because the stomach break them down more easily. They are considered as short-term antibiotic. Examples are beta-lactam antibiotics. इसमें होगा ampicillin, amoxicillin, ciprofloxacin, cipratoxin, cifronide, cifroparentine, cifrozen. मैक्रोलाइड हिंडर बैक्टीरियल प्रोटीन प्रोडक्शन. इसमें होगा erythromycin, clarithromycin, azithromycin, erythromycin, roxithromycin, and toluendomycin. The fluoroquinolone prevent the bacteria from producing the DNA. Ciprofloxacin, levofloxacin, lamidofloxacin, norfloxacin, sparafloxacin, sildenafloxacin, gatifloxacin, oflofloxacin, trovofloxacin. Next one is tetracycline, inhibit bacterial ability to produce the protein. Tetracycline, doxycycline, minocycline, oxytetracycline. The aminoglyceride inhibit the bacterial protein synthesis. Amikacin, gentamicin, kanamycin, neomycin, streptomycin, tobramycin. The inhibit cell wall synthesis. Penicillin, bacterial block cross-linked by competitive inhibitor of the transcriptase enzyme. Penicillin gene, aqueous penicillin gene, proclain penicillin gene, benzethin penicillin gene, and penicillin V. Aminopenicillin, ampicillin, and amoxicillin. Penicillins resistant penicillin, methicillin, naphthalene, oxoflexacin, cloxaflexacin, and diclofenac, anti-pseudomonal penicillin, carbamazepine, ticagrelin, and piperacillin. Cephalosporin bacterial inhibit bacteria cell wall synthesized by the competitive inhibition of the transpeptidase enzyme. First generation में आएगा ciprofloxacin and cephaloxacin. Second generation में आएगा ciprofloxacin, cefaloclor, ciprofloxacin, third generation ciprofloxacin, ciprofloxacin, cifratazine and cipipine. अदर सेल इनिबिटर वेनकोमाइन में वेनकोमाइन है, बीटा लैक्टेज इनिबिटर में होगा क्लोविलेन एसिड, सल्बेक्टेम एंड टेजोबैक्टेम. कार्बापीन नेम से है इमिपीम, मेरोपीम, डोरीपीम एंड द इरेटापीम. एस्टेरोम में है एजेटेरोमन एंड पॉलीमाइक्सिन में है पॉलीमाइक्सिन बी, पॉलीमाइक्सिन ई. बेसिट्रासिन में है बेसिट्रासिन. प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस इनिबिटर में एंटी-30S राइबोसोमल सब यूनिट्स, एमिनोग्लाइसाइड्स जिसमें आएगा जेंटामाइसिन, नियोमाइसिन, एमिकेसिन, टोब्रामाइसिन, स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन. टेट्रासाइक्लिन बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक ब्लॉक्स, टीआरएनए, टेट्रासाइक्लिन, डॉक्सीसाइक्लिन, माइनोसाइक्लिन, डेमेसाइक्लिन. एंटी-50S राइबोसिनल सब यूनिट्स मैक्रोलाइड्स में है एरिथ्रोमाइसिन, एजिथ्रोमाइसिन, क्लेरेटोमाइसिन. क्लोरोफेनिकॉल ही होगा. लिनोसमाइड में क्लिनोमाइसिडिन है, लिनोजॉइड में लिनोजोलाइड है, स्ट्रेप्टोग्रेन्स में स्क्विनोप्रिस्टिन एंड डेल्फोप्रिस्टिन है. डीएनए सिंथेसिस इनिबिटर्स में फ्लूकोकिनोल फर्स्ट जनरेशन, नेलिडिक्सिन एसिड सेकंड जनरेशन, सिप्रोफ्लॉक्सिन, नॉरफ्लेक्सिन, एनोवॉक्सिन, एलाफ्लॉक्सिन, लेवोनोफ्लेक्सिन थर्ड जनरेशन, जेटिफ्लेक्सिन फोर्थ जनरेशन, मॉक्सीफ्लेक्सिन, जेमिफ्लेक्सिन. अदर डीएनए इनिबिटर मेट्रोनिडाजोल, आरएनए सिंथेसिस इनिबिटर रिम्पेसिन, आइसोनाइजिड, फॉलिक एसिड सिंथेसिस इनिबिटर ट्राइमेथ्रोपिन एंड सल्फोनामाइड जिसमें आएगा ट्राइमेथ्रोपिन, सल्फामेट्रोक्साइजोल और सल्फेडोजोल सल्फेडाइजाइड. पायरीमिथाइन. RNTCP रिवाइज्ड नेचुरल ट्यूबरक्लोसिस कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम, ये हम पहले कर चुके हैं. इमरजेंसी मेडिसिन में देखो क्या है. इंजेक्शन एड्रेनलिन. द सब्सटेंस इज एड्रेनलिन टेट्रेट विच इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड अंडर द ट्रेडमार्क ऑफ एड्रेनलिन. इंजेक्शन ऑफ द एड्रेनलिन कंटेन 1:1000 एड्रेनलिन in water. Doses are 0.2 to 0.5 ml. Subsequently by the intramuscular 0.25 ml diluted in the saline flow every 0.5 ml. Intracardiac indications allergic reaction example anaphylactic shock, angiotic edema of larynx, acute attack of bronchial asthma, cardiac arrest due to the drowning, electrocutia and the hypersensitivity, choroid sinus. The drug is more effective in the ventricular stand still. It can be given in the intracardiac injection most commonly in the 4th, 5th and the intercostal space, 5th to 7th centimeter lateral to the sternum. Before injection, make sure that the tip of the needle is in the cardiac chamber of the withdrawing the blood, because injection of adrenaline into the cardiac muscle precipitate the ventricular fibrillation. Hemostasis. Adrenaline is a concentration of the 1100,000 to 1200,000 is used to typically to control the bleeding from the arteriole and the capillaries. Example, peg soaked in the adrenaline solution are used to control the epistaxis, bleeding after the tooth extraction, capillary using from the raw surface after excision of a tumor, hemorrhage after the hemorrhoidectomy, etc. Along with the local anesthesia to prolong the action of the local anesthesia agent because of its vasoconstrictor affect the adrenaline. 1:100,000 to or 1:200,000 concentration is given along with the local anesthesia. Adrenaline should not be used for the finger block or ear lobule or for local anesthesia on the penis because there are chances of gangrene of these structures which are supplied by the end arteries. To have the blood field of the 1:100,000 to the 1:200,000 that is injected subcutaneously before the thoracotomy, thyroidectomy and the palpable surgery. The adverse reaction: palpation, tremor, headache. If injection rapidly and the IV adrenaline may cause the sudden mark increase the blood pressure, precipitation, subarachnoid hemorrhage and the hemiplegia, ventricular arrhythmia, acute pulmonary edema and the patient and the cardiac disease, the anginal pain. The injection है noradrenaline. Injection noradrenaline is available as 0.2% solution in 2 ml. It ampules. It is inactivated in the neural pH. Dose is the 2 ml of the non-retinal is added to the 1000 ml of the 5% extruded solution, resulting in a concentration of 4 mg per ml. Vitamin C should be given added to make the solution acidic. Indication: the treatment of the hypotension of the cardiovascular failure and the hypotension followed removal of the chromophosin cell tumor. The side effect the same as for adrenaline injection as a subcutaneous tissue causes the necrosis of the skin. Injection: dopamine available in the 5 ml ampoules, each containing the 40 mg per ml solution. A 5 ml doses of 5 ml ampoules containing 200 ml solution is added to 500 ml of the normal saline 5% extrude. The solution is given by IV drip at the rate of 2 mg per kg per minute. The dopamine drip should be continued for more than 72 hours, otherwise it will be leaded to tachyphylaxis. Indication: hypotension which with inadequate cardiac output to increase the peripheral circulation, open heart surgery, renal failure due to hypotension and the cardiac failure. Precaution: with the rate of the 5% mg per kg per minute, ensure adequate urine output. It should be administered via central vein. Leakage of the drug may cause the local ischemia. Overdose not responding with the withdrawal of the drip should be treated with phenylethylamine or other alpha adrenergic blocking agents. Dopamine should be added to sodium bicarbonate or other alkaline IV agents. Contraindication: phenochromocystoma and uncorrected cardiac tachyarrhythmias and the ventricular fibrillation. Injection: propranolol is available in 1 mg per ml ampoules. Indication: thyrotoxic crisis along with other measures, example hydrocortisone, cooling measure, IV fluids, etc. The propranolol injection 2 to 10 mg is given slowly with a cardiac ECG monitoring and is repeated every 4 hours. Phenochromocystoma, the cardiac arrhythmia, acute myocardial infarction. Side effect: conjunctive heart failure, bradycardia, aggravation, AV conduction defect, bronchospasm, the hypoglycemia, unresponsiveness, nausea and vomiting, uterine hypomobility and the prolonged labor, thrombocytopenia and the leukopenia. Injection: atropine sulfate available in the 2 strength 0.65 ml per mg per ml ampule and 6 mg per ml atropine. Injection है 0.65 mg per ml ampules as a pre-aesthetic meditation intravascular 30 minutes before surgery to prevent the vasovagal shock and also to dry out the secretion if general anesthesia is to be given. Before the pleural taping, ascites taping, intercostal tube insertion, etc. In treatment of the colics and the dyspnea along with the morphine, bradyarthritis, Parkinson's to relieve the tremor and the rigidity. 6 ml per ml 6 mg per ml amyloid in the treatment of the organophosphorus poisoning. 2 to 4 mg atropine sulfate is injected by slow IV injection. Side effect: reduction in the saliva leading to dry mouth and dyspnea, retention of the urine, the blurring of the vision and aggravation of the glaucoma in the elderly patient, skin rashes and local dermatitis. Precaution: in elderly, the drug aggravated glaucoma and causes the retention of the urine. In chronic lung disease, it dries up secretion. Injection: neostigma, it methyl phosphate ampoules available containing 0.5 mg per ml solution. Dose are 0.5 to 2 mg IV, IM or IV. The indication: myasthenia gravis, acute conjunctive glaucoma. Treatment of curare poisoning to reverse the neuromuscular blockage by the D-tubourenin and the prevalent treatment of the neuromuscular paralysis due to the scan bite. The side effect: the salivation, sweating and lacrimation, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain and diarrhea, the tremor and fasciculation, hypertension. The injection: hydrocorticosteroid. The hydrocorticosteroid hemisulfonate powder is available in a bulb containing 100 mg hydrocortisone and the reconstitution with 2 ml of the disembodied for the injection. Indication: life-threatening emergency, example anaphylactic shock, status anaphylaxis, hypoglycemia, thyroid crisis, Addison's crisis, hypercalcemia, etc. Intraarticularly in osteoarthritis, painful fascia, nodule, etc. Topically injected in the treatment of the cleared as retention enema. 100 mg hydrocortisone dissolved in 120 of the normal saline is given each night in the treatment of the ulcerative colitic. Side effect: gastritis, gastric hemorrhage, peptic ulcer, perforation of pancreas, hypertension, osteoporosis. It suppresses immunity and the inflammation and may mask a serious infection. Tuberculosis often spread and there may be super infection. Delay bound healing.